Smartphones can do more than we touch. With Android Remote Control, you can access and manage your device from anywhere, help friends, streamline tasks, and more. In this video, I'll show 5 smart ways to unlock your Android's full potential. Part 1. What is Android Remote Control? Why control phone remotely? What does Android Remote Control mean? Android Remote Control. Control your phone from another device. Uses mirror screen, webcam, record video, screenshots, manage calls, SMS, notifications, find phone, install or remove apps. Part 2. How to remote control Android from PC via Screen Mirror. Screen Mirror is one of the leading applications in the realm of Android remote control. It seamlessly manages Android smartphones and tablets from a PC, offering a straightforward, speedy, and secure means of remote access. Step 1. Launch the program and connect Android to PC. Begin by downloading the Screen Mirror program on your computer. Once installed, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your device and choose the Transfer Files option. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your Android device. Access your phone settings and navigate to About Phone, Software Information. Here, activate the developer option by tapping build number 7 times. Step 3. Download Screen Mirror APK on your Android. Authorize the utility on your computer and allow it to display items in its main window. Afterward, click Turn On to download the Screen Mirror APK file on your Android phone or tablet. Step 4. Achieve Android Remote Control. Once the Android screen is successfully mirrored to your computer, you can instantly access and control your Android phone on your PC. Part 3. How to remote control Android phone from PC via Vysor. Install the Vysor browser extension and connect your Android to your PC. Wait for it to detect your device, then click View. Your phone screen will mirror on the PC, letting you control it with your mouse. Part 4. How to control phone remotely from another Android device with AnyDesk. Open AnyDesk on your Android and note the address. Enter it on another device and tap Connect. Accept the request on the first device and set permissions. You can now control the first device remotely. Part 5. How to control Android phone remotely from another one with Google Meet. Make sure that both phones have the Google Meet app installed. Initiate a call with the person you wish to assist. While the call is active, tap the star icon, then select Screen Share and click Start Now. Part 6. How to remote into Android phone from an iPhone via TeamViewer. Install TeamViewer on both phones. Get the ID from Quick Support on the target device. Enter it on the controlling device. Allow the connection and tap Start Now.